Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and as I'm sure a lot of you will know by now, that yesterday on the 7th of November, Samsung announced their foldable infinity display, which will be used on their next key flagship phone. And one of the key things that a lot of people seem to have missed, and even some of the press, is that they disguised the actual device. This is not the device that we will see. I know it looks very square, very clunky, but they've deliberately disguised it so they can do a proper reveal, which I imagine will be next year. He even mentions it sort of later in the presentation that he would get in trouble for actually showing the outline and the actual design of the device. So as you can see there, even though those are the screens of the device itself is tucked within a disguise, much like they use for vehicles when they're designing new vehicles and they need to test them out on the road. They'll disguise them with sort of various elements. And as you can see, there's this very square box surrounding the actual device. And Samsung have done it right, and now we're going to see how when it's done very badly. And obviously this is the Royale, which is pretty awful. Nobody really likes this device. It's the Flex Pi from Royale, and I can't see this going anywhere. It's very poorly designed. The actual foldable screen really shouldn't open sort of inverse, as it were. It should be like a book. They're sort of unnaturally folding that way, and it just looks really bad. So I'm really excited about the Samsung announcement yesterday. I'm excited for the new release of the phone. What do you think? Let me know.
3